So what we have here is a lizard, a typical lizard from Florida that has climbed up on my window outside. You can see the length of the lizard. This close it cannot see me because it's behind the glass and it's only seeing its reflection, so it's trying to mate with its reflection. But this big lizard, and this is a small one actually because they do grow bigger than this, and it's crawling along, and look at that, amazing, look at the length. It's actually looking at me inside but cannot see me. It's seeing its reflection and it's not sure what it's actually seeing. But yes, right here, I've been wanting to get one of these up close for a long time, but could never do that. And this is an amazing way that I've actually gotten to video this. Look at this, amazing. Look at the length of this lizard. And this is a small one actually. Look at the length of the tail. Tail is hanging off over there, but it is amazing. Very pretty green stripe. Looks like a dragon. See those the mane in its back, and it's sensing me, but it's just not sure. You can see its movement. It's taking a defensive posture. And as much as they look dangerous, these are simply fruitarian. They only eat fruits, blossoms from flowers in your garden. Here in Florida, they are seen more like a pest to a lot of people, because they'll crawl on your roof, poop a lot on the roof, and they'll eat the flowers from your garden. But amazing. This is amazing, right? Yep. And these are invasive species that came in as pets. People couldn't keep them anymore and they let them go, and so now they're everywhere in Florida. And when I say everywhere, I mean they're all over Florida. Different ones, orange, green, brown. I'm gonna try and see if I can go as close as possible to it without it noticing. Let's get a closer look. Look at that, look at that. You can't even tell him here because he's behind the glass. Look at that, look at that. That's an amazing, look at that, look at that. Can't see me. That's amazing. Let's see. That's amazing. Amazing. Well, just another day in South Florida. Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob.